Hey, welcome back to a new video. Hope you are all doing well, and I'm glad you are joining me for this brand new iMessage iOS 16 video. So we're going to be showing you how you can unsend and edit your messages just like this with the new iOS 16 update. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to purposely misspell this message. It was meant to read my, as you could probably guess, but I'm going to have to edit it. So you long press on the iMessage, click on the edit button, edit the text however you would like it to be, and then click on the small tick on the right hand corner. The reason it says delivered quietly is because I do have do not disturb on. However, if they do not have that on, it will not say that on the screen. You can edit this message multiple times, which I think is a very nice feature, as sometimes even after you've edited it once, you still accidentally spell something wrong or something like that, miss something off. So I'm just making sure that you can edit it multiple times, which you can, but please do note you can only edit the message a maximum of 5 times, which I think is just about enough. And hopefully you will never need to come to the situation where you have typed in the message wrong more than 5 times, as that will be a little bit annoying. But hopefully that will never happen to you. And as you can see, I'm just showing that you can see all the edited messages once you have sent them, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to see this on the other side as well for the person that's received it. However, I do not have another device to test this out with at the moment, but as you can see, that is the 5 different edits. So once we have done that, I'm going to show you how you can delete the message, which is undoing it. So you want to long press and then click undo send, and it is that simple. It will still say in the chat that the person has undone the message, and please do note if the other person is on an older iOS version, they might be able to see it. Thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos just like this coming soon. Peace.